二百十三，你要去唔係？You need to go to the assembly area first.
What area?
You need to go to the assembly area first.
Why?
So because they need to
Because they need to give you an orientation.
They already did that online.
No, you have to
You do it again.
Again?
and then you
What's the matter
go,
with you?
where's the assembly
So
station?
where's the assembly station?
以前我哋都唔使喎，就咁喺個
Maybe
房
this
度
boat
做啫
does.
喎
Maybe。this boat does. No, I already did it online actually.
I did online too.
I thought I did it online. So what floor is it?
B83.
咁多人啊？
What is it?
B83.
There's no such thing as B83. There's no B.
Atrium.
B.
What floor is B?
入唔入到啊？
I don't think we'll fit.
We're not gonna fit there.
Yeah. It doesn't even say our room.
It doesn't. We're 1159 here.
Levels.
We go deck 7, not deck 7 this ship. Let's see. I don't know.
One floor
I don't know. Yeah, what deck 7 is this one? Right here.
Where's the B?
Sevener.
Seven.
Well, they.
Can I fit?
Yeah.
And 8, I think.
8.
Yeah, 8. I got 8.
Cool. Thank you.
Who said 7? Who said 7?
I did. You did 7.
B is
For
us.
us.
Oh.
Seven.
The
You
lift
got
is going up.
we live in different rooms, sir.
I don't know. Bye. Bye. They're my uncle. My uncle and that.
Yeah.
I got it. Thank you.
Alright. Nice, they have the little.
The lift is going up.
Anyway.
Deck 8.
Jesus.
This is A.
Where is this B assembly station? B3?
It's in the middle.
In the middle?
Oh, thank you.
Oh, there's B8 right there. So we just like B8 1 3 5 7.
Honda. Stations there.
B83.
B83. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Guys, have you watched the life jacket? Have you watched the life jacket video?
Yeah.
So, guys, later on they'll be announcing the signal, which is 7 short and 1 long blast. So just listen to the announcement. You don't have to come back.
Was that?
Yeah.
Is that recorded?
Yes, it is.
Hey, just say hi.
Hi, wait, wait, guys. Can I have your card again, please? B83, alright.
Thank you.
Hudson, mom. All the way down on the 7th floor. All the way down.
All good, guys. Just listen to the announcement. You don't have to come back later.
Okay.
Thanks so much. All good.
Thank you. What?
You already went to your name?
Yeah.
Cheryl's is different than mine.
There's something wrong. We are in different place.
Assembly station? Whatever. No? Okay. Well, too bad.
Change it later.
Yeah, let's go eat them. The room's not ready, right?
No, not ready. None of the rooms, because they said they will announce it.
Yeah.
That's what the lady
I want to
said.
go to
See, that's why Uncle Kevin's wrong. He's like, oh, let's go to the room and drop over
They,
stuff.
they said the rooms aren't
What's the
ready.
food?
Because you know they just stepped on with a cruise, right? They just uploaded this morning.
Which one? This one, okay?
No, I don't know. Let's go eat somewhere. What do you
Where's my
Where
mom?
do you want to go? No, let's just go eat. What do you want to eat?
Ask them, where do I don't even know
Ask
where-
I don't know, this guy told me the wrong place too.
Right?